Hello there and most welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial we are going to discuss about matrix inverse, like inverse of the matrix multiplication and other specifications which are required for a matrix. So like here we have, and we will write here as a matrix equation, and we will do here like we have 7x minus 3y plus 6z equal to 5. Second one, 5x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 11, and 2x minus 3y plus 8z is equal to 10. So we are going to write it like a matrix in one form and constant to the right side, like we have one matrix are equal to like 5, 11 and 10, which are the constants. Here we are just writing it is multipliers, like 7x x separate here and constants here, like, and multipliers here. Okay, like 7x minus 3y and plus 6z. Okay, like 7x minus 3y plus 6z, 5x minus 2y plus 2z, 2x minus 3y plus 8z. The same, but we write here multipliers separate and variables separate and constants at the right side. Okay, we have this matrix like in the general form. We are going to write ax equal to b, like a matrix is this one, which are the multipliers, like 7 minus 3 6, this is the a matrix, and variables like this matrix x y z, which we have three variables unknowns. So we have three unknown, like it is like indicating with x matrix is equal to constants like b. Now we have x, like variables in unknowns are equal to a to the power minus 1, like inverse of the a matrix, inverse of this matrix multiply with b, with b matrix here. Like we are going to find the unknowns for variables, so we multiply both sides with a to the power minus 1, or inverse of a matrix. So x is equal to a to the power minus 1, or inverse of a matrix multiplied by b. So we are going to find this x in Excel sheet. So first we are going to write this same matrix in Excel sheet, then we will inverse that matrix like a matrix, and we will then multiply with b matrix to find x. So let us go there in Excel sheet and do the same things which I have explained here. X is equal to b, so x or unknown or variable is equal to x is equal to e to the power minus 1 multiply with b, or a inverse is equal to b. So we are going to write here the a matrix. So like we have here, I will just do some adjustment here. So we have here, like we have 7 minus 3 6, I will write here 7 minus 3 and plus 6. Okay, so now again 5 minus 2 2, I will write 5 minus 2 and 2. Okay, third 5 minus 2 2, 2 minus 3 8. Okay, I will write here 2 minus 3 and 8. Okay, let's check again, 2 minus 3 8. Okay, so it is the a matrix, like 7 minus 3 6, 5 minus 2 2, 2 minus 3 8. Okay, just created the matrix for a, like it is the a matrix. Okay, now we are going to write b matrix. Okay, so it is a matrix. I will just adjust it, and now we are going to write here B matrix. I will write here B and we'll write here the matrix. So 5, 11, 10. Okay, column wise I will write here as a B matrix. Here I will write 5, 11, 10. Okay, 5 and 11 and 10. Okay, so it is a B matrix. It is B matrix. Okay, and it is A matrix. Okay, we have this matrix. Okay, A, I will just highlight for, like, now we have one matrix, A matrix and B matrix. Like, I will just highlight little bit. Okay, and this is one is the B matrix. Okay, we have two matrices. So now we are going to find, like, first I will inverse this matrix. Okay, then I will multiply with B matrix. So let us go here and find, like, inverse of A matrix. Okay, minus 1, like A to the power minus 1. Okay, we are going to find that one. Then I will write here. So now, like, I am going to find inverse of this A matrix. Okay, so we have 3 by 3 matrix. So I will just, so now I'm going to find here inverse of this A matrix. So this matrix is 3 rows in 3 columns. Like, we have 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. So here I will come and hold the shift and will select 3 rows, okay, and 3 columns. Like, we have 3 by 3 matrix. After that I will press equal sign and will write M inverse. Okay, then start a bracket and we'll select here this A matrix and will close the bracket. Then I will just press Control Shift and Enter. So this is the inverse of A matrix. Like, we have A to the power minus 1 or A matrix inverse. So this is the inverse of A matrix. Okay, I will just highlight here different color. Okay, so this is the inverse A matrix. Here we have B matrix and we have inverse matrix of this A matrix, or A to the power minus 1. So now we are going to find the variables x. X is equal to A inverse, like this matrix, multiply with B matrix. So here we are going to find the X matrix. I will just select and will highlight different color. Like, we are going to find this matrix. Okay, X matrix. So here I will find the X matrix. Then we have here A inverse and also B matrix. So now I am going to find here the X matrix. X matrix is equal to A inverse matrix and multiply with B matrix. So I will select here the X matrix. Then I will write here equal sign and will write MMULT. Then I will start bracket and will select A inverse matrix. Okay, then press comma. Then I will select here B matrix. Okay, then close the bracket and will Control Shift and Enter. So this is the X matrix, which is equal to A inverse matrix or A inverse and to multiply with B matrix. So like, we have done with inverse times B matrix, which is the X matrix, inverse times B. So now I am going to just check and confirm whether we have done correctly or not. So then I will come here equal sign. I will just press this one and multiply with this plus this one, multiply with this plus this one, multiply with the last one. Okay, then enter. So like, we have calculated 5. It is correct. The same I will do for another one. Equal sign 5 multiply with this one x plus minus 2 multiply with this one plus 2 multiply with the last one and enter 11. It is correct. The last one 2 multiply with this one plus minus 3 multiply with this one plus 8 multiply with the last one and enter. So we have calculated correctly. 5, here is also 5, 11, 11, 10, 10. So like this was the original B matrix, and we have received again B matrix like in the cross check for the more confirmation. Okay, so everything is correct. So thanks for watching. This information was for inverse of the matrix and multiplication in other steps. So I hope you learned many things from it, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the coming new information. Bye bye.